Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you best promo code on TikTok shop. So guys, this is promo code working and go through this website called Groupon. So as you can see here guys, open this website and search for TikTok shop and you will be find some of this promo code and discount. However, on my region TikTok shop guys is not available. So this bet you in your case you will be able to find this deal, all the deal and promo code, and just click get deal and you will take on the new page and you get this promo code. And on the Google you will be able to get this TikTok shop or Groupon website. You will be able to find this promo code working. You can go guys the website called Worth Pony. So search just on Google and try Worth Pony and you'll find this website. It's good website guys. You just click show coupon code and click copy this. I hope this video guys helpful for you. See you on another video soon.